What's up, y'all? I ain't been on here for a while. Today I'm working on this Cadillac STS Seville, with the Northstar engine. The customer complaint. Oh, there's a lot of traffic noise in the background. The customer complaint was rough idle, as well as some codes. The check engine light was on. Put the codes up on the screen. What it turns out to be was this here. Well, I'll show you, because I got the new one already. This rubber piece that goes between the intake manifold and the throttle body. The intake manifold, plenum, and the throttle body. It goes just like that in there. Now when I sprayed, I had to spray it down because it had a vacuum leak. I heard this was a common problem. It's a pattern failure. It cracks up in here, somewhere around up in there, at the bottom side. It causes a leak. Anyway, to do this, you need to remove this whole intake plenum, but the throttle body stays here. You gotta lift the fuel rail. You gotta take your fuel lines apart, which I done already done. Whole lot of vacuum lines and connections, and the injector harness I took apart and laid to the side already. Already done. Now, from this side, we got some screws. A screw up in there, and two down at the bottom. That's hard for me to show you. But they go to the back side. The one I just showed you comes out right here. You gotta take that loose. And that's what that hole, that screw gonna go through that hole. Then you got two at the bottom. As far as taking this intake manifold, you got these bolts down here all the way around. All you got to lift the ejector harness first. Get that out the way. Okay, I got my injector rail loose. That just lifts up out the way. Make sure you got all your vacuum lines. Make sure you got all your vacuum lines out the way. Injector rail. Lifts up just like that. And you can set it aside. But make note that once you put it back in, look at them O-rings real good. Make sure they ain't nicked, and oil it up real good once you getting ready to reinstall. And clean out them holes all around there and lubricate it real good. Because you know, once you insert one part into another part, it's always a good idea to have good lubrication. Okay, once you got them screws that you took loose from the other side of the throttle body that run through here, it lifts easily up, just like that, and out the way. And there you have it. Off. Where the hell was it leaking at? There go the leak. It's cracked open right there. Now we're gonna put the other one on it. Ooh, look what I found while I was in there. On the other side of the intake plenum, there's a vacuum tube. And the little elbow there got a little crack in it. So it had two vacuum leaks. Not only did it have one, had a rubber piece. Here, let me show you. It's hard to hold the camera, do this at the same time. Not only did it have this one right here. See my finger go through all the way through there? But it had that one right there. But its elbow goes to there. Now I gotta find the little vacuum hose going there. Be right back.